Very good morning, students. The last class we have studied the syllabus of your subject. Today, begin with the first chapter or the unit first, the introduction to the business economics. Before that, we can understand what is economics. Already we know that studied in our lower classes. The economics studies about the human economic activities. The human economic activity is concerned with what is that? The earning and spending money. So for this purpose, the handling of these activities, we have follow some rules and regulations, laws to formulate the various theories of the economics. So that's why use of these rules and regulation to analyze the business conditions and applying the arriving various the economic decisions known as the business economics. We know apply of the economic theory is the application of the business management. So that is called the business economics. Already we know that the business economics is the branch of knowledge. It is a branch of knowledge which applies economic theories to the problems of the business management. Already we know that the business economics helps to take decisions relating to the business as well as the managing the business. And also here always the business economics deals with the matters regarding about the business organizations, decision making and business planning. So we can say that the business economics deals with decision making and forward planning. So that's why here the business economics we can understand about the meaning and definitions. So according to the Spencer and Seligman, business economics may be defined as integration of the economic theory with the business practices for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by the management. Every businessman has to know the business economics because of take the proper decision, and we have to make the proper plan for the future. So that's why the business economics helps to the management in making the right decisions and planning for the future under the conditions of the uncertainties. Already we know that so many uncertainties are there, the firm or the industry. That's why the business economics helps to how can we control and maintain the firm and companies. So this we called as the business economics. And also so many economic studies they given definitions about the business economics. According to the MC Nair and Meron, business economics consists of the economic modes. Economic mode means economic theories to analyze the business situations. Everyone know that in the business field there is so many we have to face the situations, that is the bad situation and good situation. How can you maintain that it is defined by the Nair and Mayan, the use of the economic modes or the economic theories that apply to the business problems. The another one, Joel Dean. The purpose of the business economics is to show how economic analysis can be used in formulating about the business policies. To maintain the policies, to formulation policies for the profitable of our company, how can we analyze the economic analysis through regarding about the gaining the more and more profit of the company. And the last one, Joseph L. Messe. Business economics is the use of the economic theories by the management to making the business decisions. So after we studied the definition, we conclude that the business economics is that already I told you, the branch of knowledge in which theories of the economic analysis are used for the solving the management business problems. So this is for example, totally we can say that business economics act as a bridge between the economics and business management. So this is what is business economics. So, and then what is that characteristics of the business economics? Please, what is that? All the dear students, please keep the notepad and note the what I am telling the what is that points or the what is that what I am telling you. So here, what are the characteristics of the business economics? The first one, microeconomic in nature. The business economics it is the particularly it is only regarding about the what is that the micro study what is that only particular firm of the economy, not the whole economy. The second one, theory of the firm or the economics of the firm. All the economic what is that theory, the what is that concept of the and economic models known as the theory of the firm or economic of the firm. So are studied what is the business economics. The always business studies is the economics what is that studies about the theory of the firm or economics of the firm. And also here the another one characteristics of the business economics, the importance of the macroeconomics. Already we know that the macroeconomics helps to the understand the overall business environment, overall what is that the field of the business. So it operate the what all the activities of the business firm. The another one, the applied the approach. So business economics studies the analyze the good and bad of the situation in the decision making and the forward planning about the in the firm. So these are the what is that the characteristics of the business firm. And also here we can understand, sorry, so we can understand what is that, what are the scope of the business economics. Already we know that the business economics in the recent days it is the what is that the scope is very widely expanded. So here the what why we have to the study about the business economics. Already know that the business economics studies overall business environment. Already we know that the macroeconomics in nature, the importance of macroeconomics. So here we note that the one by one what is that I tell you the scope of business economics. Here we can say that the first one, demand analysis and forecasting. Second one, production planning and management. The third one, cost analysis. The fourth one, pricing policies and practices. Fifth one, profit management. The sixth one, capital management. Seventh one, decision theory under the uncertainties. So these are the what is that the scope of business economics. Already we know that the business economics it is the studied very deeply or very broadly. The first one, already we know that demand analysis and forecasting. Every business fund here they analyze the demand and demand forecasting of the what is that commodities what is that produced by the firm or the company, because to what is that demand facilitate the decision making about the forward planning. Every businessman take the what is that two factors, that is the one is for decision making and forward planning. Here the demand analysis always it is the what is that facilitate the what is that decision making and forward planning. It means if demand forecasting of the firm is properly right way, the firm earn more profit. Otherwise it incurring losses because of the you properly what is that analyze the demand for the demand for the products in the next year, or the what are the forecasting about the what is that company products. The second one, production planning and management. Every firm it is the what is that engaged in certain production, how much to production and what to production of the commodities for what is that how can we the what is that ready to what is that production of the goods and services next year, are they we what is that we adapt the plants and also manage the production firm as to the make the profitable decision making or factors of the production and the product what is that production of how can we the combination of the facts of production to produce the goods and services. That is also the production planning and management. We cannot the what is that production what is that what such we can say that What such we have to production? We properly, what is that? We have to the pre-planned production management. Pre-planned production planning. What to produce, how to produce, and also how much to produce. These are the, what is that, in the production planning. The third one is, it is the very important topic of the business economics, cost analysis. Every businessman, it is the one of the important about the responsibility is the what is that, business managers, that is the cost analysis. The cost analysis, it is the to analyze the control of the cost in order to maximize the profit. Yeah, already we know that every businessman thought that 24 into 7 cost minimization, profit maximization. That's why in this way, how can we the, what is that, in order to maximize the profit, he has to always control the cost of the production. So that is the proper investigation and research for the about the respective cost, and also minimize the cost, and also we have to the search for the, what is that, minimization cost analysis. That is the one of the very important to the, what is the scope of the business economics study. The another one, pricing policies and practices. This is also very important to the, after the what is that, production of the goods and services, how can you fix the prices for their products to attraction of the customers are reasonable for the customers. That is also one of the important to the, what is the studies of the business economics. So here the pricing policy and practices, it is the deciding the prices of the one of the important subject in the business management or the business economics. The success of the firm, it is the depending upon the price of the commodities. So we can say that, what is that, in the establishment of the new company and the new product, we price the, what is that, fixed the high prices. There is no demand. Always we have to the very cautionly, what is that, fix the prices of the company. That is also one of the important about the business economics or the business managers. This is the one of the, what is that, the scope of business economics. The another one, the profit management. This is also one of the very good topic about the business economics, because of the everyone take the risk, and also, what is that, more and more effort for the only for the gaining the profit. There is no profit, there is no, what is that, risk. That's why here always the business economics or the business manager helps in the analysis of the profit measurement and control. What is that, how can we the profit, what is that, formulation of the profit policies and break even analysis. How can we the, what is that, adapt the profit techniques to the more and more the gaining the profit. That is the one of the important about the profit management of the business economics. Then last one, decision theory and uncertainties. Every businessman has to know about the, how can we that take the decision in the, what is that, crisis of the uncertainties. So that is also, what is that, one of the important about the business economics. Uncertainties may be the words such as the uncertainties of demand, uncertainty of cost, uncertainty of profit, uncertainty of the capital. So many statistical methods are developed for the taking the correct and properly decision under the condition of the, what is that, very bad conditions or the crisis of the situation in the company or the firm. So that is also here the studies by the business economics regarding about the, what is that, the scope of business economics. And also here we can understand very simply what are the importance of the business economics. What are the importance of business economics? Here one second. Yes, what are the importance of the application of economics in business management? So already we know that why we studied business economics. What are the importance of the business economics? So you can say that the first one is, what is that, say only points. The next class we will continue the explanation. Here the first one, we note that help in organizing. Every businessman manager would learn through the study of the business economics to the how to organize the factors of production, how to organize all the departments of the firm. The second one, helpful in planning. managers are with the use of the so many resources or the business economic concept to the mobilize the what is that the resources of the very effectively optimum utilization of resources for the regarding about the production of the goods and services. That is the second one. What is that? Helpful in planning. The business economics very helpful to the decision making. Already we frequently we telling about the so many times. What is that? The decision making, the right decision or the proper decision making. It is the managers decide on the basis of their knowledge about the business economics. The number of the what is that relevant things about the such as the what kind of the way of production should be undertaken by our company, with what should the what is the technique we have to adapt the production of goods and services, and what are the profit techniques to gain the more profit of the company. That is also this is the proper decision by the business economics. And also helpful to the coordination. So because of the any successful of the firm, it is depending upon the what is that, not the facts of production, not cost management or the profit management. So how can we have the coordination in between the what is that all the departments or all the section of the firm? That is also it is depending upon what is that success. It is what is that. So here it is the business economics. It helps establish the what is that coordination between the what is that the traditional theoretical concept and of economics and actual business practices. So what is the actual practices, and also what is that application of the what is that the traditional economic theories to what is that successful of the firm. This is also one of the importance of the business economics. And also here the business economics helpful to the formulating about the business policies. So already we know that in the business economics helps to the what is that deciding the profitable policies for the objectives or the certain business of the situation of the firm. So this is also important. What is that? It is helps to the formulating about the good policies for the development of the company or the firm. And also it is a very helpful to the cost control, helpful to the demand forecasting. It is very very good helpful to the minimizing of the uncertainties. And what are the, it is also helpful to the understanding the external environment. Every businessman not only know about the what is that internal environment of the firm, and also he has to the what is that extra knowledge about the competition business environment or the competition business field. How can we maintain our company or our totally we are go to the what is that the successful of the firm. That's why what is that importance of business economics is understanding the external environment. So these are the what is that importance of the business economics. Today we have studied about the introduction to business economics, what are the definitions of the business economics, and what is the nature and scope of the business economics. The last concept is the what is that importance of the application of the economics in the business management. So these are the what is that today class. So next class I will tell you what is that what are the concept used in the business economics. So that is we can understand the next class. Thank you one and all.